Okay, we are now going to look at creating email templates for um, a quicker and faster response to the customers. For example, now we are going to look at creating a quotation template. So what we would do is, now here is where we are, which is the home dashboard. And from here, you are going to mouse over all and then scroll down. You see this email templates, click there. Here you would have seen a list of things. Two options you have. You either click any of this or choose any of this by clicking edit in this section, not this red one, but the black edit pencil, and then you can change it. You can, for example, system generated password email. Click here. Okay, I do not have the access, so that will be done by the admin. You can either do that, or you can create a new email template. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to create a new email template. I'm going to click here, create email template, new. And what am I going to give it as? Okay, quotation, CRM quotation. Okay, okay, CRM quotation. That's it. And the description for this is, this quote is for the standard edition as part of the ProSight.in portal with a named subfolder for the customers. Okay. And this is, what is this type? The type is email. The template that we are going to create is email. And then I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to leave this as is. Insert variable. Okay. I'm going to leave it as is. Here in the subject line, I'm going to click this data queue quotation CRM standard edition. Now this width the default is there. Now there are two options. You can send this as text only. If you put it across like this, you just have to copy paste. You don't want that, and you wanted this to be sent with some images and things like that. So you will have to toggle off. And the width of this email is going to be 600, which I'm going to change it to 720. Okay. So now I wanted a headline. I'm clicking this headline like this. Now this headline, once you click here inside this, you will have this tiny MCE is what we call it. The tiny MCE shows up. Okay. This is like your um, open source word, something like that. So I'm going to change this as, okay, CRM quotation standard edition. Okay. Now, before this, I wanted to insert our company logo. So click here and then I look for the source. So to get into the source, for the source, you require only online things. So that's the reason why I have already uploaded essential images. Okay. Here we are looking at dataQ.com/pics/logo. Let me just find out. Let me just find out dataQ.com/pics. I should be able to see this list. Okay, this is the logo. So this is the name of the logo. So what I would do is, if I click this, yes, I'm able to see. So I'm just copying this link and then I'm going to paste this link here. Okay. Alternative description is dataQ logo. Okay. And then save. You see, you got it now. Hmm? And then after this, I wanted to add title. And in this, I wanted to add some information. So before this, I wanted a two section item. I wanted to add this. Let me bring this section over here. And this is going to be two, basically for the customer. And this is from details. From this is similar to you work with MailChimp and all that, right? So it's similar to that. Here, to address, customer name, and then address, email, and um, phone. Okay. And from. So this one, we have to give it in a particular format so that whoever customer that we wanted to send, it will automatically take those details. I'll come to that a little later, but before that, we will finish off these things. This is data queue, services, private limited, and we give the address. Now for the customer name, what we got to do is you take this as, see, if it is account name, you will have to put it across like this. If it is address, say email, email comes here. Find out the address or city, whatever. As of now, we are giving this, just giving only the city as of now. Okay. And then in this section, here is where we are going to make some changes, which is year. And then we are going to give the same account name, whoever we are addressing. And then okay. So here, now what I wanted is, after the small intro, I wanted to put up our logo. Okay. Basically, let me choose this. Okay, here I wanted to include. Let me just go there, go back and see. Where is this ProSight.png? So I have this. So I'm going back. I'm giving this information. By half, this will be 250 by 300. Okay, in case if I wanted to reduce it for 150, you see it automatically, according to the width, it also reduces the height because it is given as locked. Suppose if I kept it as unlocked, then this will change. See, for example, if I make it like this, there will be no change. So that's the reason why, you know, I keep it as locked always. So proportionately it reduces. So put it across. So now I got the image. Now the image is here, and in this area I wanted to add some information. I'm saying, okay, I have a ready information which I'm copying and pasting here. Okay, if you find it to be a little bit more bigger, double click or just click over there and then make it 120, it further reduces, or 110, it reduces. According to the content, you can adjust its height and things like that. Now, okay, now that this is done, okay, our CRM ProSight is a comprehensive online for all this 83 features. It has built-in AI capabilities for forecasting revenue. Aitu. Then the next one that I wanted to do is, yeah, now I wanted to bring the next set, which is this one. This comes here. Here is where I'm going to give all the details about the security. I'm going to talk about the security. Then I want one more. Here I'm talking about software price, which is the commercial aspect. Okay. Then I'm going to add the next one. It is as simple as that. I can actually continue this itself. Commercial. This is done. Okay. Then the next section, terms and conditions. We need to have that. I'm going to put up the terms and conditions. Done. Then we need to have bank account details for the payment. Okay. So I'm going to add another one for bank account details. Then I'll add another one. Again, what I have done is I have given the, here is our quick business profile for your kind perusal. Okay. So this is the link. Your text to display can be changed to data queue, business profile. Open in new window. Okay. It's given there. And if you look at it, I have already uploaded data queue brochure 2024 or data queue quick profile. This is the one. It is connected to that. This data queue brochure is for this is about the solutions partner, channel partner program. We are not going to add this to the customer. We are going to give only this to the customer. Okay. So which is what I have given. See, now the display text is data queue business profile. Instead of, giving, ugly looking long URL, this is better. So for more information, visit our website. That is done. So then we are looking at, now I wanted a footer. Enough. Now I wanted a footer. Here, footer contains an information. What I wanted, this email is sent to, we have to give these details, yeah, you will have to give this email name $email underscore name. Okay. Now this one we will make it center aligned. This also. Every quotation over SIN number and G. Okay. So this is it. Done. So now what happened is, this is something we have created and say save. See, when you save, this is the view that you will get. Got it? Once you view this, then you will know, okay, certain things are good and certain things are not that very good looking. So what you do is, let's say this extra line is there. We wanted to remove it. You go there and click edit. Come here and see if that can be done. That's another part. Then certain things were having, like these things were having this, yeah, those dots removed. 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 And then now you go back and say save. Okay. Now you got those bullet points removed. You want some space in between. You can add a space in between by putting up a this thing. Or another thing is you can even change the color of this. We'll do a little bit of beautification now. For example, first thing that we wanted to do is security. Let's say we wanted to change the size to its 14. We can make it 18. And you wanted to change the color to, let's say, the color changes to blue. And then you give a space there. So this becomes easier. Similarly, Again, we are going to change the color. Giving some space. Oh, I forgot to add the size. This is 14. I want to make it 18. 14 to 18. And then the color to be blue. Space. Bank details 14 to 18. And color to be blue. This one, this section, we want it to be tiny. We don't even want 12. We will go for 10 or 8. Something like this. Done. And then we will change this color to, let's say, a dark gray. Say save. And let us see how it comes up. Okay, the space has come, whereas the color has not come through. Huh. But this color has changed. But this is good enough to send out a quotation quickly. Because these are standard products. You see, the commercial we are looking at currently providing a special offer of $7.99 per user per month till March 31st. Regular price is this, a one-time setup fee, and that's it. It takes about, what are all the things that we will be providing them is what we are saying, whatever that comes along with this. Okay. Other terms and conditions. These are deliverables. Okay. If that is the case, we can give a separate name called deliverables and then we can make it as a separate. So let me just go and add that as deliverable. So for that, what I need to do is now I need to add one more thing, but whatever you add, it comes at the last. So I wanted to insert it at the right spot. So just about terms and conditions. And here I'm calling it as deliverable. Okay, let me find out. This is bold. 14. Hmm? How can it be 14? It's supposed to be 18. With Tiny MC, you have a little flexibility on formatting and beautification and editing and things like that. For the deliverables below. Deliverables. And then I'm going to give a gap here. So yeah, this is it. And we are done. Now it's time to test. Let's say, how do we test? I'm going to do, and I'm going to send an email. I'm going to go to this and then going to say compose from the email template. I'm going to choose CRM quotation. This one, the one that we did just now. You see, today's date. Okay. And related to contact, I want to give a contact j@dataq.com. It's not there. Okay, fine. It's related to none. So we need not have to put it across straight away. Here I'm putting it up as j@dataq.com. See, the subject has come up here. And then I just have to click send. Email sent. You go and verify. If you go and verify, you would have gotten this.